Central Phoenix. Our customer has a cast iron line that is collapsed. So we're going to do our trenchless pull. Which is going to be this one, come up here for the kitchen sink. And this one will follow all the way over. That comes out right here. And then we will blow this out and we'll have a toilet right here. From there, we'll do our new technology lining from out there. You'll have 2 clean outs and we'll do a light ray line job. That's gonna reline the old cast iron there. We'll do a new connection here. A new connection here for sink, and then right here is going to be our laundry connection that goes outside, and that'll be our last one.